Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off your activity status on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Look for the one labeled Profile and tap on it. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage your account settings and preferences. Once you're on your profile page, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon sitting there, which is the universal symbol for settings. Go ahead and tap on this gear icon to open up your settings menu. This is where Tinder keeps all the important controls for managing how your account functions and what information you share with other users. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Take your time as you scroll and keep an eye out for an option called Activity Status. This feature is what controls whether other Tinder users can see when you're actively using the app, so finding this setting is crucial for managing your privacy on the platform. When you locate the Activity Status section, tap on it to open it up. This will bring you to a dedicated page where you can control this specific feature. Inside this section, you'll see another option labeled Settings. Tap on this to access the detailed controls for your activity status. Once you're inside, you'll see an option that says Show Active Status. This is the setting that determines whether other users can see a green dot or timestamp indicating when you were last active on Tinder. Having this on means people can see when you're online, which some users prefer to keep private. Right beside the Show Active Status text, you'll notice a toggle button. This switch controls whether the feature is on or off. Simply tap on this toggle to turn it off. When you do this, the button should change color or position to indicate that your activity status is now hidden from other users. And that's it, your activity status is now turned off, meaning other Tinder users won't be able to see when you're actively using the app or when you were last online. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.